Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come to you with a lock pen by Mr. Albert Lebel entitled Snake Bite. It's this fantastic Yale style you see in front of you. You can see it is open. I did just manage to open the sucker, so we're going to have to open it again. So, let's see if we can figure that out. We can get a little closer there. Shakata.
Are you going down there, or you want me to go down there?
I'll go down there.
Okay.
Give me a sec.
Yep.
Pardon the interruption there. I'm me and Padroni. Anyway. Yeah. Jummer Jim. Oh, Shucky Darns, man. Shucky McDarns. I just got this. So, let's see. Oh, we have to do it again. Pretty fucking happy I just got the damn lock, to be honest. There we go. Dropped into a little bit of false set there. Oh, pop. Oh, there we go. All set now. There we go. In the back. And we got it. Bam! Sweet. I've been having a fucking hell of a time picking this shit lately. Anyway, Snake Bite by the Mr. Lebel. Let's see what we got here. I'll back it out. I'll lock it back up since we do have the key. Let me make sure I'm trying to keep the whole lock in the screen at all times. Anyway, before I get all excited about that, here's the bidding on this sucker too. Pretty cool bidding. Let me go ahead and grab the follower I need. Which is back on my paint tray there. Alright. You can tell it's been a while since I've done this, so. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, pardon me, excuse me. There's some goodies in there. Standard. Oop, nope, that's a little mushroomy guy. What do we got there? It's a little, mushroomy-esque type thing. Show you. See? And then number 4 is the same. See? Nice. And let's see what we have in the core. We have undercuts in number 2 and number 5. Cool. Nice. Let's see what we have up in the Bible, y'all. Nice little spoolie there. Copper spring. Another similar tile. Another copper spring. This one's serrated. Mamba Jamba. Same spring. Let's go out the back now. Y'all. This is a pin and pin. That's there. That's there. Good thing I looked at it first. It goes like this. This right there. Nice. All right. Same style spring, and last but not least, we have number 4 here, which is a little, oops, T-pin-esque Mamba Jamba. See? So, spring, same spring. Let's see if we have anything up in the Bible here. And it doesn't look like there is anything down in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Nothing there. Nothing there. So cool. Anyway, this lock again was Snakebite, pinned up by Mr. Albert Lebel. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.